So I'm currently trying to fix my brother NX400 sewing machine. And one of the problems it has is that it's hitting this rotary thingamabob. It was hitting the plate, but I'm not sure what happened. It's now hitting this rotary thing, and it's going through the wrong hole. So it should go through here, but it's going through the one at the back. And you see, and I know how to adjust the left and right alignment of the needle, but I'm not sure how to bring it back and forth. So if anyone has any advice, I'd really appreciate it.